Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is we're going to do a dusty rose colored smoky eye, and we are going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. We are going to be trying out the new roller liner in brown from Benefit and the Maybelline TattooStudio in brown also. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. I am going to start off with my transition color. I'm going to use Warm Top, and it is right there, the second one. I'm going to start off with the Warm Top, and I'm just going to bring this all the way up, way high up. Blend that all out. All right, now I'm going to go into that color. It's called Buon Fresco. I still don't know what it's called. B-U-O-N. Buon Fresco. I'm going to pull it up, not as high as the other one, but I have to pull it up higher than just the crease, or you won't see it. Then I'm going to put it on the outer half of my lid. It looks dusty rose, doesn't it? Now I'm going to clean off this brush a little bit, get a little more of that Warm Top, and go around the edges a little bit. Just to blend it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some of that dusty rose color and put it underneath. I'm using a set smudgy brush. It's a Sephora brush. Pro Smudger, number 11. This other brush that I was using is a Morphe 505. And now I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to go into this Warm Top and just blend this out a little bit on the bottom too. Pull it up. Now I'm going to go in with my finger, and I'm going to go into this Vermeer. It's kind of pink right there. And put this on the inner half of my lid. And then just take this brush and blend it out a little, just because I can't get all the way into the corner of my eye because of my fingernails. Now we're going to go in and we're going to push line with this brown tattoo liner from Maybelline. And to push line, you just put your little finger on your eyelid and right in the middle, and you push just slightly and see how the eyelash kind of turns up. That's what you're doing. And then you take your pencil and you just draw between your lashes. Then I'm going to take this smudgy brush, or this flat brush, and smudge it out. This I got in like a Christmas eyebrow pack. So, but this is the same thing. It's the one I use in black, and it's a Morphe 432. And then when I go back and forth, I just kind of pull it up a little bit into, so it's all in the lash line, and then it's so that I can match it up with the liner I put on top. And now we're going to go in with this roller liner from Benefit. And it's brown. Now I'm going to take this sponge with just a little bit of my powder that I used under my eyes on it, just to clean up, and see how little bit I'm going to use, just to clean up this edge here, and lift this corner of my eye. And that is it for that. I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and I will back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look for our Dusty Rose Smokey Eye. When I went off camera, I added my mascara. That's all I did, add my mascara. And it's the Laura Geller Lash Boss. I added my lipstick. I used this Revlon Cushion Lip Tint. It is Fancy Rose. And then I put this Chrissy Teigen from that package I got, that Christmas thing collection. It's the lip gloss. It's the Becca Chrissy Lip Icing Glow Gloss. And this is the color Creme Brulee. I put that on top. I just wanted to say that I like this. This brown, I think it looks good. I think the brown, especially with my, what did I do with it? Here it is. These two together, the brown Studio, when I push line with it, and this liner is the bomb. It's good stuff. Because it's very, very dark. It's almost black, but it's not. It's brown. And it's very matte. There's no shine to it, which I really, really like. This is a good one. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!